racing?
Alex, take a look at these tread marks. They go from black to light, and that is caused by what? Acceleration.
Hit and run. Suspect was speeding away.
Nope. Point of rest, point of impact right in front of that tread.
You telling me the driver meant to hit her?
I'm telling you that our hit and run is now a murder.
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами. 22 часот и 15 минути.